All right, good morning, guys. Good morning. So I'm gonna do a daily update while I'm at work. A lot of stuff happened last night. Bitcoin definitely broke down, or let me rephrase it. Bitcoin had a rally to the upside, and then it was immediately rejected to the downside. So pretty damn impressive bull trap. So what now, right? That's the next question. Is all hope lost? Is Bitcoin just screwed at this point? There are some good cases to say that we're going to continue going down. There are some damn good cases. However, I'm going to give you the bullish cases because I know you can go everywhere and get the bearish cases right now, but it doesn't look like all hope is lost at this point. I think we actually do have a damn good, decent chance of continuing up. So don't get wrong. This bull trap is disgusting. All right. It really is. I know it's not a very clean chart. I went on a couple days ago and I really micro analyzed everything about this chart, and that's why it is so messy. But overall, there are some bullish things about this. And so the first thing I want to talk about is actually off of this chart. We're going to go to the technicals. I'm going to go to the CME chart. Okay. So in case you're not aware, this is a CME futures chart and they do not trade on the weekends. So because of that, you have these gaps that are formed during the weekends. Well, there was this massive gap that I've been eyeing on Twitter for a while, and we actually came down here and filled that gap. I know that sounds crazy, but honestly, that is something that does happen quite often on this chart. So now that this gap has been filled, that is essentially filled that void and filled that inefficiency on the chart. So that right there is a bullish sign, just for starters. Now, if we go back to the Bitcoin chart, I told you guys that I have been eyeing a bullish divergence on the daily for several days now, several days, if not weeks, right? Well, those bullish divergences still do exist. They absolutely still do exist. We have not invalidated anything. So don't think that it's over by any means, because those bullish divergences, which I can't show you that on this chart right now because I'm at work, but I made a video that goes over my bullish case. Nothing has changed on my bullish case. Make that very clear. Furthermore, we have this trend line established on the RSI. We have not broken down from this trend line yet, and I know it's crazy to say the RSI can be played as a trend line, but yes, this is absolutely something that is traded, especially on a higher time frame like a daily chart. So overall, don't get me wrong, it doesn't look great. Okay, I know there's plenty of bearish cases out there, but I'm going to try to give you guys a bullish case. This is your bullish hope. So the CME gap, you have the bullish divergence on the daily. Also, the Wyckoff accumulation schematic number 1, I've talked about it in previous videos. It still is valid. There's nothing different about this chart from what it was a little while ago. We also don't have the massive volume that I would like to see if this drop is legit. You see this? Like, if this is the drop, I would like to see more volume than we have right now. And right now, we just don't really have it. So this is the volume I'm looking for, right? This is the level of volume we're expecting if this is like the major drop. But we haven't had that yet. The volume is actually pretty dang low relative to like this capitulation candle or this sweep of the lows over there. So, you know, although it doesn't look great, guys, I think there is a lot of bullishness to this move. I think we do have a lot of potential here. So do I think it's going to like, I don't know, guys. Honestly, it doesn't look as bad as what it seems when you zoom out and look at the big picture. So that's really all I wanted to go over in this video. If you guys have questions, like always, let me know. And I'm going to go ahead and end it here so it doesn't get too long and convoluted, and I will